Sally had some red, blue, green and white beads. 20% of the beads are red. She had 14 more blue than red beads. The number of green beads she had was twice the number of red beads. The remaining 29 beads were white in color. Part A, how many red beads did she have? Part B, how many more green beads did she have than blue beads? Now the very first thing we take note is that there are 4 different colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 20% of the beads are red. Okay, should be R there. So the first step, convert the percentage into a fraction. It's way easier to work with fractions, and we can clearly see and determine the relevant number of units from the fraction itself. So this becomes 1 over 5. Okay, which means that out of a total of 5 units, one unit will be red. Okay, which means the rest are 4 units. Okay, she had 14 more blue than red beads. So if you were to draw a model, red, blue, green, white. Red, for sure, there will be 1 box, 1 unit. Blue will be 1 unit plus another 14. Alright, the number of green beads was twice the number of red beads. So green will be 1 box plus another 1 more box. Alright, total 2 units. And the remaining 29 beads are white. So 29 beads over here, I'm not sure how many boxes is this, but we know that it's 29 beads. Alright, so once you draw a model, you will realize that 1, 1, 1, 1 total 4 units that we have circled. Remember, the grand total number of beads is 5 units. Okay, so total has to be 5 units. So if you've already drawn 1, 2, 3, 4 complete units, which means 14 plus 29 must be the 5th unit. I repeat, 1, 2, 3, 4 complete units have been drawn out of a total of 5 units. So 5 minus these 4 units, you are left with 1 unit, which has to be for 14 plus 29. 5 minus 4, that will be 1 unit. 1 unit is equals to 14 plus 29. 43 beads for 1 unit. Okay, so how many red beads did she have? She only had 1 unit of red beads, which is 43 beads as our answer for part A. Now for part B, how many more green beads than blue beads did she have? Alright, so to do this, we find the number of blue beads first. That will be 1 unit plus another 14. So 43 plus 14, 57 beads. And we do the same thing for the green beads. Okay, for green beads is 2 nice units. So 2 times 43, 86. Alright, and then we just find the difference between 86 and 57. 86 minus 57 to give us a final answer of 29 beads.